Hi everyone, myself Dr. D.NAGARAJU. Welcome to Engineering Bytes. So today we will discuss about 5 tips in C programming. The first tip is about preprocessor. So when we have to execute any C programming language, we have to use hash as a preprocessor. Without this preprocessor, we cannot import standard input and output libraries into the C programming. And second tip is about using int instead of void in the main function. So why we have to use a int function instead of void function is, void function will return an empty value at the time of executing the C programming, and once the main function has been completed, void will terminate the program immediately. But when we use an int instead of void programming, it will return a 0 value at execution of that C programming. So instead of terminating the program at itself, so we can include a return value at the time of executing the main function. This is our second tip. And the third tip is about including the comments at each and every step of the C programming. So it will improve the readability of the program as well as understandability of the program. So any layman or any programmer, beginner programmer can usually read the programming and easily they can understand the programming. And next one, the fourth tip is about writing any large program in the form of functions. So using the functions will improve the reusability of the code, and it will reduce the lines of code in the C programming. And this is the last tip in this session. So instead of using the printf, we can go with the fprintf. Why? Because why we can use the fprintf means printf will execute the command and it will sometimes executes the buffer overflow. But we can avoid this type of buffer overflow by using the fprintf. So dear viewers, in the next session we can have the complete detailed analysis of these particular 5 mistakes what the students are doing in the programming language. Thank you.